Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing the Lord of the Rings project pan update. So if you guys don't know, my friend Little Miss Nash, she's the one that created this project pan, so this is like a collab video, so make sure to go check her out. I will have her YouTube channel linked in the description box. So for this project pan, we do have 4 sample size products that represent the Hobbits and a full-size product that represents the Wizard. And here is my full-size product, and here is my sample size products. So I'm going to begin with my full-size product, and this one is the Maybelline 657 Nude Nuance Lipstick. This is what it looks like. I feel like I haven't made that much progress because I've only used it a couple of times. If I can, I'll put a picture on the side, but I don't think I've made that much progress. So that's what it's looking like right now. So I don't think I've made that much progress, but we will see. I'll try to put the picture on the side. But anyways, I really like this lipstick. I just haven't used it that much because I was concentrating on the lip glosses. I will try to use it more often. I keep forgetting, and I just apply lip gloss because it's easier. Okay, so I did rate how many times I used it, and the past month I only used it 8 times. Okay, now on to the next product, and the next product, it is the sample size product that represents the Hobbits. And so this one is the Tarte Lip Paint and Birthday Suit. It's just a little sample. And this one you can't really see. Yeah, this one there's like no progress at all. It's like really hard to tell. I need to use this more often because I don't think I've used it that much because there's like no progress at all. Yeah, I only used it twice last month. No wonder. But anyways, I really like how this feels on my lips. It feels moisturizing, and like it has this like cold feeling on my lips. I definitely need to use this more often if I want to finish this. So the next sample size product, it is the Sunshine Lip Gloss, and it's like a little light bulb. Super cute. And this lip gloss I have used quite a few times. Okay, I used it 15 times this past month. You could see a little bit of progress. It's like sideways right now. And like all this is empty right here. It's kind of hard to show you guys, but anyways, I'm making a lot of progress in this lip gloss, and I'm super happy about that, and I really like this. It's like really moisturizing, and I love that it has like the glitters. And I'm not going to mark it because it's like really hard to mark it because it doesn't go all the way down. You guys will know a difference when it's completely gone. Okay, now the next product that I'm super excited about, well, the last 2 products I'm excited about because I did finish them. So the first one is the Ulta Beauty Lip Gloss in the shade Canyon, and it's this one right here. You can't really see that I finished it right now, but it is completely gone. Let me show you guys with my flashlight. See, it is completely gone. And I did take out the stopper, and I scraped the walls as much as I could. Oh, see, you can see like that. It is completely gone. So I'm really happy about that. I'm happy that I finished a lip gloss. I felt like I was never going to finish this lip gloss because it was really thick. But anyways, now it is gone. So goodbye into the empties. Okay, so since I did finish that lip gloss, I am going to be rolling in a new product, but I'm not going to put another lip product because I already have too many lip products and project pans. So anyways, this time I'm going to be rolling in a sample size blush, and this is the Too Faced Apricot in the Act blush. It's a cute little duo. It's super cute. It has a blush and a highlighter, and it smells really good like apricots. So yeah, this is the blush that I will be working on in this project pan. So the last product that I have in this project pan that I also finished, it is the 7 Virtues Vanilla Wood perfume, and it's just this little sample, and as you can see, I completely finished it. This smelled really good. It smelled like vanilla, and it didn't make me get any migraines. So, and yeah, I really enjoyed using this. And since this is done, I am going to be rolling in another perfume, and this one is the Good Chemistry Magnolia Violet perfume is this little sample right here. I'm not sure where I got this. This is what it looks like inside because it matters to us. This perfume is vegan and cruelty free with essential oils. We're also really happy that it doesn't contain parabens. But anyways, here is the little perfume. I will be marking it right here so you guys could see how much progress I've made. Hopefully I could finish it in a month. And it sucks that this one's not a sprayer, so I just have to like open it. And how do you open this? Oh, so you just pull it out. Kind of smells like beer or something. Never mind, it doesn't smell like beer. It smells like flowers. It smells really good. It says apply to pulse points, wrist and neck to stimulate senses. So I will be doing that. I'm gonna do my wrist right now. Okay, this smells amazing. I love it. So let's see. So I did finish 2 products and I included 2 new products, the perfume and the blush. And I'm still going to be working on this lip gloss right here, the lip paint, and of course the full size, which is the Wizard product. So yeah. Anyways, I'm really happy that I did good because I did finish 2 products and I felt like I was never going to finish a lip product because I have too many lip products and project pens. But I'm really happy that I finished a lip gloss. So anyways, that is all of the updates that I have for this project pan. So make sure to go check out my friend Nat, Little Miss Nat. I will have her YouTube channel linked in the description box. Anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.